Yeah. Keep one in your mouth when you're lying and stay on my business or watch you dying. I'm taking my people to heights where you crying, but regular living it, that's what I'm trying to prove.
Kapag yung babae pumayat, tapos yung lalaki palaging malinis, palaging mabango, palaging pogi, isa lang ibig sabihin nun. 3 kabit niya.